Good morning, children. Let us continue the geography lesson 5 major domains of the earth. In previous class, we have learned about the in the layers of the atmosphere. The 5 layers are there in a atmosphere, and also the from high pressure area to low pressure area. When the uh, pressure and also the air pressure is moving, so the from high pressure to low pressure moving the air, and the moving air from high pressure to low pressure is called the wind. So children, today let us learn about the biosphere. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. There are the several living organisms are there on the earth. If you observe the picture also, how the biosphere means the living beings are there. The living beings, how they are depending on. Here we can see the living beings, they are depends on the lithosphere, atmosphere and also the hydrosphere. So the lithosphere about the land, there are the mountains, and also to construct the houses that we have learned about the 7 continents. In the same way, the hydrosphere about the water. The hydrosphere, there are the major 5 oceans are there. Next, rivers are there, wells and also the different types of the water resources are there, and also the atmosphere. So the atmosphere 5 layers are there, and also the moving air is called the wind from high pressure to low pressure area. So the biosphere, the living beings exist in this four, and also these are the 4 domains of the earth where the life is existing, and also the people are living. It is a narrow zone only, but the narrow zone and also the how the people are existing in this life. The living beings, the main, if you see in a biosphere, the organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria, huge animals, from micro small organisms to very big organisms are there. All the living organisms include the humans are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. All the living beings to survive themselves, and also the how they are going to be survive each other. The organisms in the biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom also. So the organisms and in the biosphere may broadly divided into the living beings means what, the living the small organisms, and also the small animals, big animals, human beings, even plants also comes under the living things only. But the plant, it is having the life in green in color, giving the fruits. And here also the organisms in the biosphere may broadly divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The 3 domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. So all these 3 domains also, lithosphere, hydrosphere and also the atmosphere, all these 3 affect the biosphere, all the living beings. For example, cutting up forest for fulfilling our needs of wood. So to cut the wood, we need the wood for cooking purpose, and in the different to make the furniture purpose also we need the wood. Or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes also. When we are cutting the trees and for agriculture purpose, and also the other different types in many purposes, they can be use the land by cutting of the trees. And also the similarly, earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like a earthquakes. Sometimes the earth's surface it is going to be changed suddenly. How it is going to be changed? Because of the earthquakes. When the earthquakes comes, the land or it is dividing and it is breaking, and also that many disasters were taking place. For example, there could be submarines of land, as happened in the case of the tsunami recently also. And in the 2004, the year 2004, suddenly tsunami has taken place in the Indian Ocean. The submergence, and also that when the coastal areas, the side of the oceans, and in the river water the tsunami is taken place in recently also. We can see in the place of the Turkey, if you see the news, the Turkey, the small earthquake was taken place and the disaster was taken place, and the buildings and everything it was collapsed. Based on that also, the land is going to be changed, as happened in the case of the tsunami recently. Parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands were submerged underwater. So the island means the area which is covered four sides of the water is called the island. That Andaman and Nicobar Islands also. Even in continents I have told for you. The Australia also is an island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands were submerged underwater. Discharge of waste, discharge of the waste material into lakes and rivers make the water unsuitable for human use. It is also damage the other forms of the lives. So children, here the biosphere and also the disasters were taking place, and also the natural calamities are taking place. Because of the natural calamities, the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom also is going to be spoiled also. So once again you have to read the textbook and what do you mean by the biosphere. Once again you have to. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.